Nicole.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're gonna fall off the hammock.
That's one thing for sure. I'm digging for air.
You're digging for treasure. You find any?
You have to dig over. And then pretend I'm going to come in like King Kong. Huh? Recording? I'm recording. It's going to look for air.
What are you doing, Jalen?
It's going to take 4 days to get for air.
Where are you?
Disney. I'm going to go in the dirt. Right, should I go over here? Ready?
What are you doing, crazy?
Ready? I'm going to bury myself.
No, don't do that. Hey, Nico.
Back to Nico.
You have fun today?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Kong! King Kong comes in. No! Off it! But they can tell you.
Hey.